So watch this. So we're adding this left hand just to review on what the left hand is. Root, third and fifth, fifth, third and fifth. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 4. Boom. So that's the groove, right? The melody, just the first phrase sounds like this once we've put it together. Right? So let me play that. Once we arrive at the finish line, having put it together, it'll sound like this. Sorry. One more time. Good. So now, in order to unpack this and actually be able to get there, I like to think of something I call points of alignment, which is when is the right hand playing exactly or aligned with the left hand versus when is the right hand playing in between the left hand. So if you think of the left hand as your constant, right? That's not changing. That's the constant, and it's boom, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, or 1 and 2, 1 and 2, and but we're just going to count it like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. That stays the same. So the first thing I'm going to do is just count my right hand: 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So I know that happens on 1, which means it has to be aligned with this. 1. So now I'm going to figure out the next melody: 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Okay, it's aligned with 3. 1, 2, 3. So I know that it's aligned with the left hand. And that's that point of alignment there. So frosty. Now let's figure out this next melody note. Frosty the snow. So that I can already tell is an and, or in between beats. So it's not going to align with the left hand. 1, 2, 3. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. It's on the and of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, and. So that's on the and of 1. That's on the and of 4. So now I know I have to play in between the left hand notes. So it's just after this. 1, 3, 4, and 1. And that's aligned because it's both on 1. So I'm thinking about when am I playing in between which part in the left hand. It's in between there. So now if I extend that out to this last note, that's on the and of 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. Oh, sorry, it's not on the end of 1, it's on 2, so it aligns with this. 1, 1, 2. So it's going to go right with there. I was wrong. It's not on the end of 1. 1. If it was on the end of 1, it would sound like this. Right? That's right before this. So the basic way to unpack it is to ask yourself, when is the right hand playing with the left hand? And when does the right hand need to play in between notes in the left hand?